this video, we cover the following topics. Color relationships form the cornerstone of color theory, guiding artists and designers in creating visually appealing and emotionally resonant compositions. At its essence, understanding color relationships means exploring how colors interact with each other on the color wheel and in visual space, and how these interactions influence the viewer's perception and emotions. From the stark contrast of complementary colors to the subtle harmony of analogous schemes, each type of color relationship serves a unique purpose in design and art. They dictate the mood of a piece, direct the viewer's attention, and articulate the spatial dynamics of the composition. Beyond just aesthetic appeal, color relationships delve into the psychology of color, where each hue carries its own weight of cultural and personal associations. This introductory exploration sets the stage for a deeper dive into the specific types of color relationships, unraveling the complexities of color use and its impact on visual storytelling. These are specific combinations of colors that are considered pleasing to the eye to create what's known as color harmony. There are many other types of color relationships that are worthy of consideration. We cover color schemes, each kind of color relationship, finding relationships like analogous, complementary, split complementary, triadic, tetradic, and more. Watch the videos in the color relationships chapter to learn more. Comprehensive Watercolor isn't just a book, it's a companion for your artistic journey. With detailed explanations, visual examples, and hundreds of videos, it meets you wherever you are in your watercolor adventure. Discover how watercolor works, why it behaves the way it does, and how you can harness its unique qualities to create stunning art. Comprehensive Watercolor offers a clear, approachable guide to mastering this beautiful medium. Take the next step in your watercolor journey and get your copy of Comprehensive Watercolor today. You'll find the links to purchase in the description below. Choosing the right watercolor supplies can feel overwhelming, but the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide has you covered. Packed with recommendations, tips, and insights, this guide helps you navigate the art supply aisle with confidence, so you can focus on creating. This free guide accompanies the book Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.